Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to promote the Clickfunnels affiliate program, but more importantly, how I make over $2,000 per month on autopilot using Clickfunnels. Now, I love Clickfunnels because I make monthly reoccurring commissions with this program. So that's what we're going to focus on today. How can we get people to sign up for Clickfunnels so they're paying every single month? So I'm going to show you 5 different ways to promote the Clickfunnels affiliate program in 2021. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I used to work as an electrical engineer. I started my business in May of 2019. I quit my job as an electrical engineer in March of 2020. So that's the main goal of my channel, guys, is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve that financial freedom. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any questions at all, please comment down below. Let's get into the actual video. So guys, I'm going to share my screen here and I'm going to go through what is the Clickfunnels affiliate program. I'm going to walk you through it and kind of explain how this works. Now, this is the back office of my Clickfunnels affiliate dashboard. Now you can see here, I have $1,800 pending and then another $1,900 in holding. Okay, so guys, I got a lot of money coming in from the Clickfunnels affiliate program, and a lot of this is already on autopilot. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this, right? More importantly, how do we do this so it's monthly reoccurring commissions? It's predictable income for the future, right? And I love this program because it's a program that people need and that is very untapped, right? Only 150,000 members are using this program. So there's billions and billions of people in this world that are eventually going to use a program like Clickfunnels. Now, let me just kind of walk you through how it works. So this is the Clickfunnels affiliate program. Basically, you can sign up absolutely free to become an affiliate of Clickfunnels. Now, when you become an affiliate, you get 40% monthly recurring commissions for the actual product itself. Now, if you don't know what the product is, it's basically a software that helps you build, one-page websites or landing pages. So, for example, let me just show you one of my landing pages here, okay? This is one of my main pages that I use to collect email addresses for my business, okay? We built this all in Clickfunnels, as you can see, but you can do this. Anyone can build a page like this in literally minutes, right? Because it's a drag and drop, and any businesses can use this, right? Whether you're a dentist, you're an online business course creator, you're an affiliate marketer. So the goal for me is to teach people how to use the software so they can sign up under me as an affiliate and pay every single month, okay? So the software is typically $100 a month to $300 a month, depending on, which program you choose. So that's what Clickfunnels is, just so you understand, what the program actually does, okay? Now, there's a ton of different products that you can promote with the Clickfunnels affiliate program. So for example here, you got .com secrets book, you got the expert secrets, traffic secrets. You have, challenges where they give you 100% commissions, like the one funnel away. And then of course they have, the actual software itself. So not only can you promote the software, you can also promote all this other stuff as well, right? So you can see that, just with promoting this book here, I've been able to make almost $3,000 here. The one funnel away challenge, $1,600 here. And then of course we got the actual Clickfunnels software, which is like, when people pay every single month. Now, I love monthly reoccurring commissions because this is pretty much predictable income as long as people are actually paying for the software, right? As you can see, I do have some people that are paying on hold, right? So basically saying, they either cancel their subscription or they're on hold, okay? So you can see it's still earning me money. But the people that actually stay on trial, that's going to be predictable income. I get 40% of that. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we do this. Okay. I'm going to talk about 5 different ways to promote this program. Okay. The first one I've talked about, you guys probably know what I do here, but it's basically YouTube, guys. I mean, I literally just post reviews on how to use the software itself. Okay, now I'm going to kind of walk you through my thought process on this, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a kind of more ninja strategies on how you can promote this software, and I'm going to give you guys something to actually promote it as well. Okay, so What you can do, guys, and this is pretty easy to do, right, is you can make YouTube videos on how to use the software, right? So like, for example, if I type in ClickFunnels tutorial, right, I can see here that over 400, almost 400 people per month are searching that, right? That's really important to know, because now I can see how many people are searching this, and that's potentially people that can watch my videos and use the software, right? So basically, I want to create videos on, how to use the software, right? So as you can see here, I don't have my videos on the top of YouTube, but if I keep scrolling down, you can see I'm like the 10th, 12th person on here. I don't have a ton of views on this video, right, on how to use it, but what I want to explain here is that the people that do end up watching this video will end up using my link, right? So if I go to this link here, or if I go to this video here on YouTube, right? This is an old video I made a long time ago. You can see over 4,000 views, but more importantly, right, I have my ClickFunnels affiliate link here, right? So guys, this is really easy to do, because all you got to do is create different tutorials on how to use the actual software itself, okay? Now, I love YouTube because this is a great way to kind of start, putting content out there on how to use the software. Now, if you don't know what to use as far as like filming it, guys, you can use something like Loom, okay? This is a free Chrome extension where you can literally just record your screen and then post it on YouTube. Really, really easy to do, okay? I use a program called OBS Studio. So as you can see here, this is the program I'm using, OBS Studios, to record. It's a little more complicated, but that's the program I use to actually shoot my videos. Okay, so YouTube is one of my favorites to do that. Now, I do go in depth on how to actually, find good keywords, how to, find keywords that are going to show up, on the top page of YouTube. I have a free course on my YouTube channel. Go check that out, guys, if you want to check out that free course. I actually have it right here. Let me just show you where it's at here. If you go to my channel, you scroll down just a little bit, and right here, okay, you can see I have a free course on how to use YouTube. If you want to know exactly kind of my ninja strategies on how I get my videos ranked at the top, okay? All right, that's number one, guys, is YouTube. Number two is blogging, okay? And I'm going to show you kind of some tactics that I use here. And but you can see that a lot of my blogs are comparing ClickFunnels, right? ClickFunnels versus Get Response here, ClickFunnels versus Builderall, ClickFunnels for real estate. And I'm going to show you how I get these ideas, okay? So basically, what you can do to get all these ideas is you can go to somewhere called Answer the Public, okay? So if I go in here and type in ClickFunnels, it's going to give me a ton of ideas on what type of content I can create, right? So if I go down over here, it's going to give me ideas on like what type of articles that I can write. So while that's searching, I'm going to show you how I actually make money with it, right? So let's just say I make these articles. Let me go back over here. Let's just click on this one right here, ClickFunnels versus Get Response. If I click on this article, I'm going to write about the differences, but more importantly, right, I have my affiliate links throughout this article here, right? So if I go down right here, you can see I have an affiliate link here. Right here, if people click on this, I get 14 days for free. I have an affiliate link here. And throughout this whole blog, as I'm giving people this value, I'm also giving them, I have another affiliate link here. That's for Get Response. But what I'm saying is I'm getting people to look for my articles by finding these ideas, right? So if I go to Answer the Public over here, you can see that all these ideas are things I could write about, right? Who founded ClickFunnels? Where is ClickFunnels located? Are ClickFunnels legit? Are ClickFunnels safe, right? Is ClickFunnels worth the money, right? I can see all these ideas that I can write about, right? It gives me so many ideas, and these are things that people are actually searching. Now, I can go here and I can see like all the different ideas that I can write about, and this is going to give me like literally infinite ideas on what I can write about for blogging, okay? So that's number two, guys. You can write blogs, right? And you can see I'm doing this for myself. This is a great way to do it if you don't want to get on video. Now, let's talk about some more ninja strategies here, guys. And this is something that I really don't talk about because this is kind of a cool strategy, but you can basically create a course and throw it on Udemy, which is really, really powerful. Okay, so like if I go to ClickFunnels course on Udemy, and if you guys don't know what Udemy is, it's basically a place where people buy courses. So if I go to Udemy and I type in ClickFunnels course, right, you'll see that if you scroll down a little bit, I have a course on here, right? This is my course right here, Jonathan Montoya, Ultimate ClickFunnels Mastery Course, freebies included, right? So this course right here has literally, I think I have like 4,000 or 5,000 students in this course here enrolled. Let me see if I can see. Yeah, so you can see here, these are my analytics here, over 4,000 students. Now, I actually have this course for free on Udemy, okay? So I'm giving this out for free, as you can see. I don't really care to make money with this course. All I want to do is get people to use my affiliate link. So within the course itself, I have them go to my affiliate link, okay? So over 4,000 people have enrolled in this course. Now I can get people to actually, get some free value, but more importantly, use my affiliate link, okay? So it's a great way to do it as well. And here's another course I just released. This is about ClickBank affiliate marketing, but inside of there, I'm actually giving people share funnels to actually use ClickFunnels, right? So basically, I'm giving them funnels they can use, meaning that they can actually import this and they have to have a ClickFunnels account. So that's why I'm making more and more money and getting more people to use my ClickFunnels affiliate link. So as you can see here, I use Udemy. You can see I come out with different courses inside of here. I'm actually going to be revamping this one right here and making a new course for 2021 so people can start using that, okay? So I'll be coming out with that very, very soon, and you'll see that I'm going to be teaching people how to use ClickFunnels, and I'm going to be releasing that inside of Udemy. Another one, guys, is Legendary Marketer. This is actually a really, really awesome way to get people into my ClickFunnels affiliate link, okay? Now, so far, you guys will probably notice some sort of pattern, right? So with every one of these strategies, I'm teaching people and giving them value, right? With my YouTube, I'm teaching them how to use ClickFunnels, right? With blogging, I'm giving them value on how to use ClickFunnels or comparing it to another program, right? And then with Udemy, again, I'm teaching people how to use the software. So what's going on here is the people that you teach how to use the software, they're more likely going to stay on this longer, right? So something like Legendary Marketer is a great way to actually promote this because they actually do the promotion for you. So let me kind of explain what Legendary Marketer is. It's basically a software program that, or I'm sorry, education program that teaches people how to start a business online, right? Now, naturally, if you're starting a business, you're going to need softwares like ClickFunnels. You're going to need softwares like GetResponse, stuff like that, right, to build your business. Now, what's cool about Legendary Marketer is you can get them inside this program for $7, and you can actually add your ClickFunnels affiliate link right here, okay? It's something called the Pro Streams of Income, okay, which is really, really cool, okay? So once you become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, you can actually put your affiliate links within here, okay? This is something really, really cool because they teach the people how to use the software, but more importantly, they actually let you use your affiliate link, which is really, really powerful inside of here, okay? So that's another way to actually do that, okay? And the cool thing is that you could apply to be an affiliate for Legendary. I will leave a link to my Legendary Marketer affiliate link down below if you haven't signed up for them. It's only $7 to get started. Go through the 15-day challenge, and then after that, you can apply to be an affiliate. But this is a great way to promote the actual ClickFunnels affiliate links, okay? Now, this is one of my favorite ways to do it is by giving another free course, okay? Now, I did this kind of similarly on Udemy, but this is a little different, right? Now, what I'm doing here, so I'm actually giving them my own free course, right? This is my membership area, right? Now, I'm going to give you guys this actual course that you can use as your own, okay? So, basically, this is a course that you can use, and you can literally use your own photo. You can use your own name here. You can use your own links here. This is a totally customized course that you can use as your own. Okay, I'm going to give you guys this for free just for watching this video to the end. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to this down below so you guys can actually import this into your ClickFunnels account and actually use this. Okay, so this is a course on how to use ClickFunnels. You can see here ClickFunnels Basics, advanced type of funnels. It literally is just a course on how to use it, but more importantly, right, inside of here, I have ways so they can actually sign up for the ClickFunnels account, right? So right here at the top, you can sign up for a ClickFunnels account, and then throughout this whole thing here, they could sign up for ClickFunnels because you know, I have my links throughout here somewhere inside of here. I think become an affiliate. I forget exactly where I have it, but it's in there where I have them where they can sign up to be an affiliate for, or I'm sorry, so they can sign up for ClickFunnels with my affiliate link. So guys, that's all in there. And this is how I promote ClickFunnels. I mean, it's nothing crazy, nothing super secret. I mean, literally, I use these 5 methods. As you can see, I'm using every single one of these methods. My favorite way is YouTube. It's more long term. But you know, I have 5 different ways for you to do it. If you guys want my white label course, I'm gonna leave a link to that down below so you guys can get access to that. Okay. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I hope that you're able to start making money with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. It's a great affiliate program. I've definitely made a lot of money with it. It's something I don't focus on 100%, but it's something that that helps me make an extra, you know, a couple $1,000s a month. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. You guys have a great day. God bless. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with content almost every single day. We'll see you guys on the next one.